You want to go
No, still smaller than Blizz.
Like
in the body, the frame, he just fluffy. But actually, at 2 years old, they at their complete stop of their development when they get taller. They gonna get wider now. Steady Bean! Come here, still. Bliss. Oh, you about to go poo-poo? You just went. That's why I ain't feed you. Go, go, go. Don't go, no. Don't go near me. Don't go nowhere near me.
Hey.
Go, Bliss, go.
Who won this?
Go still.
Who won this?
I can't believe he kept it. That's the only toy he kept that never broke. Move, still. Still. No. Still act like he don't have no interest. Still. Come here. Still me. Still, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, buddy. Where we going? Still. Come here. Here come Liz. Don't let that one in.